Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install Dseek. Dseek is officially Dseek in the UK. It's a major AI assistant that rose to prominence in 2025, quickly becoming one of the most downloadable AI apps global. It is developed by a Chinese company and offers a powerful free-to-use chatbot and search engine experience, competing directly with market leaders. How to install this app for Android/iOS? Search Dseek AI Assistant in Google Play Store or App Store. So go to Play Store, select Apps and search Dseek. Select Dseek, your AI assistant. 3.8 stars, 100K plus download. Select install. So the app is installed. Select open. Continue with Google to sign in or continue with password. Sign up. Then you select I confirm that I have read the privacy and terms and conditions. Then I'm going to sign in with Google. Then you select your account. So once you sign in, it will show you welcome to Dseek, official free app. Experience the latest Dseek models with cross-device history sync. Dseek can make mistakes. Content is AI generated. For professional fields like medicine, law, finance, it does not represent expert advice. Please use discretion. Then select Start Chat. We show you instant, expert, vision, start chatting. Then type, for example, I want to give the prompt. You can select plus to add image or upload camera, photo, or document. You can also use voice. Then it will ask you to speak. Hold to speak. Allow access using this app, for example. Then select hold. Hello, give us 4 side hustles to make money online. Thank you. So it's generating the information. Hello, give us 4 side hustles to make money online. Thank you. Here are the 4 solid side hustles you can start today. No hype, just real options. Number 1, AI enhanced freelance services. Offer copywriting, translation, customer support, but use AI tools like ChatGPT/Claude to complete work 5 times faster. Charge per project, not per hour. Pay $3 to $150 per hour. Effective rate. Start Upwork, Fiverr, or co-DMing small businesses. Number 2 is digital product arbitrage. Create and sell templates, Notion, Excel, Canva, or social media captions on Gumroad or Etsy. Make it once, sell forever. Pay $500 to $5,000 per month. Passive. Start. Find a pain point. Example, meal planner or SEO blogger tracker, and build a basic template. Number 3, micro SaaS, no coding tools. Build a simple web app solving one specific problem using no code, Bubble, Glide, or low code. Charge $10 to $20 per user. Pay $1,000 to $10,000 per month with just 100 to 500 users. Start. Solve your own workflow headache. Scratch your own itch. Number 4, faceless digital real estate. Buy and flip age social media accounts, Instagram and TikTok with 5K to 50K followers, or niche newsletters. Grow them via curation, then sell on acquire.com or Flipper. Pay $500 to $5,000 per flip. Start. Buy a dormant account for $50. Post consistently for 30 days. Flip for 500 plus. Quick tip. Pick one. Commit 2 hours daily for 30 days and iterate. That beats trying all 4. Which skill set fits you best? I can tailor a step-by-step plan. This response is AI generated for reference only. So this is a good example of how to use a voice prompt, then AI to generate the answer for you. You can also type the information. Give me 2 businesses to start with no money, then submit. If you make a mistake, you can also go back and edit. Give 2 businesses to start with no money, then submit. Then this is the information. Here are 2 legit zero money businesses you can start today, literally with just your phone/laptop. The first one, done for your digital service, the overnight agency. Sell a service you already know. Example, replying to DMs, scheduling posts, data entry, or transcribing videos. Here is the trick. Don't do the work yourself. Post a gig on Fiverr/Upwork, and when you get a client, outsource it to a VA on Fiverr for 50% of the price. You keep the rest as pure profit. Pay $200 to $1,000 per month starting. Start. Make a simple Canva flyer. Post it in Facebook groups saying, I will manage your inbox for free this week. Get 1 testimonial. Charge next client. This is the first one. The second business, curated resource list. B2B lead gen. Create a Google Sheet or Notion page listing 100 plus active newsletters, sponsors, podcasts, guests, or TikTok creators in a niche. Example, 100 vegan food bloggers taking collab. Post it on Twitter/LinkedIn as pay what you want. Pay $300 to $2,000 per list. Start. Spend 2 hours researching manual. Share the link in niche community and watch the download roll in. No hosting cost, just free Google Drive. The catch, both take time, not cash. Expect 10 to 20 hours of grunt work upfront before your first sales. So this is a good example how to give a prompt and it will generate information that you want. You can give voice prompt or you can also type the information. You can also upload image or photo or PDF file and it will interpret the file. So this is information I thought to share with you. This is how to install and download Dseek on your phone. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.